In this video, we will discuss programming chair preset positions using a CP5 or CP5i control pad. Warning: ensure that the patient is positioned safely before using the manual or preset chair controls. Never leave the patient unattended while the chair is in motion. Always take extra care with small children and patients with limited mobility. To stop the chair at any point during preset movement, select any chair positioning button on the foot switch or touch control. Begin by moving the chair to the position you would like to save as a preset. Notice how the chair icon moves to show the chair's current position. Once the chair is in the desired position, press and hold the preset you would like to program until the control pad beeps. The preset icon will update to show the saved position, and the soft key will illuminate indicating that the chair is in the newly programmed position. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.